Hello, and welcome to the Manic Rainbow Studios presents Magical Manifestations and Affirmations workshop series brought to you by level11content.com. If you've reached this video, this is the final episode of the 21-day immersive program, and it is a reflection on timing and patience when it comes to your intended magical manifestation and affirmation work. If you have landed on this video, but and this is your first time here, I highly recommend that you go to the first video in the program and start from there. And all of those videos are linked below in the information section below this video. A little more information about this workshop. It is, of course, inspired by the quote, "Your words carry power." That's why it's called spelling. And by harnessing the power of the words that you think, speak, and write, you can create impactful changes in your life and the world around you. The more that you radiate these changes inwardly and outwardly, the more powerfully you are able to impact the world around you and effect great change in your life. And there's also a little bit of information about me here on this frame. What you will need in order to participate in this workshop series, being that it's the final episode. If you've been participating the entire time, you should already have these things. And if you're new here, again, I highly recommend that you start the course from the beginning, and all those links, again, can be found in the information section below this video. But with that said, you'll need a journal to write in, your favorite pen or pencil, an open mind, and a willingness to participate in the process from start to finish. Also, an important note before we continue, this course is in no way an adequate replacement for proper mental health services, although the contents of this course can definitely augment your mental health practice, and in fact, I encourage you to share it with your therapist if you are already actively in therapy. If you are suffering from extreme or volatile emotions currently and or thoughts of feelings of self-harm, please consult a licensed mental health professional immediately. And I've linked some resources in the section below this video if you need some help finding some mental health resources. With that said, this is a quick review of affirmations and gratitude. An affirmation is a statement or declaration of truth. Affirmations can be used to declare a new reality for your life or simply affirm your own well-being. They can help you challenge negative thoughts and self-sabotaging behavior. And with gratitude, you harness powerful transformation through the power of gratitude. You would be surprised how the simple act of expressing gratitude can have a massive impact on your life. Seems like a very small thing, but affirming with gratitude that which you are thankful for gives you or improves your ability to attract more awesome things for you to express gratitude for. And if you've been following this program from start to finish, of course, you may be thinking, what's now? What's next? And of course, you've done your affirmative work. You've expressed gratitude for your manifestations. Now is the time to release control of your anticipation of the outcome. In other words, open yourself up to the myriad of possibilities that exist with respect to your desired outcome. Oftentimes, we try to create our own idea in our mind of how this manifestation should show up in our life. And very rarely does it ever show up that way. And in fact, when you are holding a specific vision for how it will show up, you may be limiting your ability to create the thing that you are trying to manifest, whatever it is. You might just be surprised at how it shows up and when, if you can release your own limiting beliefs or ideas on how the situation, thing, person, etc., is quote unquote supposed to show up in your life. Which brings us to a reflection on universal timing. It's a common misconception that when we are affirming in the present tense, that must mean that our affirmation is going to manifest instantaneously, right? Oftentimes, that is not the case, although it can happen. In the very least, if you've been following this program in its entirety for the full 21 days, you've most definitely experienced some shifts in your life. And things have already started to transform. Take these changes as a sign that movement is happening as you move toward the manifestations you are intending on creating with your affirmative work. It's also important to keep in mind that in the grand scheme of things, our own human perception of time and universal timing is very, very different. In the context of universal timing, a human lifetime is but a mere blip on the whole of existence. So, if your manifestation is taking a little bit of time, keep the faith. Keep affirming that what you are keep affirming that what you are manifesting is taking form in your present reality. A good affirmation that I like to use when I'm feeling a little anxious about the timing of my manifestation is, my manifestation shows up perfectly and right on time. And here are some reminders and reflections to keep you on track as you move forward with your affirmative work and gratitude. Because the fact of the matter is that this work doesn't stop with the end of this course. This is a beneficial daily practice that I even incorporate into my own life. And again, for as little in as little as 20 minutes a day, you can incorporate affirmative work and gratitude into your life on a regular basis. That said, here are a couple of things to remember while you embrace this process and adapt it to your current practice on a regular basis. Of course, it's important to stay the course. There may be moments when things don't appear to be going in the direction that you're hoping for. That doesn't mean that things aren't working out in your favor. It is quite common for it to feel like everything is falling apart when, in fact, these things are falling together. It's also important to believe in yourself. Believe that you deserve to manifest whatever it is that you are co-creating in your life with the universe. Believe in your power. Trust in your abilities. Allow yourself the space to receive what you deserve. And of course, it's important to meditate often. As cliche as it may seem, meditating can bring with it many benefits. Often in meditation, we are focusing on our breath, which can allow our minds to become still. In meditation, we also have the opportunity to become the observer of our thoughts and release judgments. Meditation can also be a really amazing manifestation tool through the process of visualization. And share this process with a friend. Sharing this practice with a friend can be fun. Having someone else to indulge in the magical experience of affirmative work with can maximize your results. It's like a two heads are better than one kind of thing. And it is fun to create and share with like minded and similarly aligned souls. Here are some closing thoughts. If you're new to this process of unfoldment, it can feel chaotic at first. As you begin to lean in more to your own magic and co creating with universal energy, some things will fall away from your life. Some of these changes may come as a huge shock to you, but it's important that you stay the course during these changes and continue your practice. Release what is moving away from your life and get ready to embrace the newness of what is coming. These changes are on purpose and creating room for your manifestation to enter. And of course, just as a review, the process of affirmative work and daily gratitude journaling includes 10 minutes of affirmative work in the morning and 10 minutes of gratitude journaling in the evening. And of course, all of this is detailed in the first couple of videos of this series, if you would like to go back and review those videos. With all of that said, I sincerely want to thank you for taking the time to participate in the Magical Manifestations and Affirmations workshop series. I want to thank you for being here and for being present, and also for your own dedication to your own personal transformation and growth. If you've liked this video or the entire series itself, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and also share with your friends and family who you feel may benefit from participating in this workshop series. You can find us on social media at manic_rainbow_studios or online at level11content.com. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best, and stay tuned for the next series I will be releasing, which is Learning Tarot Together. More on that soon.